Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys like an easier way to basically select items, like a lot of it. For instance, you want to submit it to a DG resident. So I'm just going to talk to Cassie and then press this. Okay, fear that I'd be a little bit too loud. Okay. And then to submit, okay, I only need one for this, but for instance, this needs 10. Just long hold it so you don't have to press it one by one. I just figured it out somehow. Maybe you knew, maybe you didn't, but you're just going to long press it. And that's pretty much it. I think it also works if you want to sell stuff to Albert, sorry. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.